In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create another Clash of Clans account and play with it. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. It really does help out the channel. But first things first, after opening up Clash of Clans, you're going to see a little settings bottom in the bottom right, just above the shop icon. Go ahead and click on that and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Up at the top, you're going to see this Supercell ID section. Click the open option just like so to pull up your Supercell ID. And then click on the settings gear in here, and there's going to be an option to log out. There's also going to be an option to switch account as well, but you're going to want to go ahead and first just simply log out or disconnect from your current Supercell ID, and then tap play without Supercell ID, and you're going to be asked to agree. What this is going to do is start a brand new account where you need to enter in your age, go through the tutorial, and set up your new village, which obviously I'm not going to do right now, but that's what you'd need to do. But after finishing that tutorial and setting up your new village, head back into your settings and you'll see your Supercell ID is still disconnected. Simply go ahead and tap register and then create a brand new ID for this account. Make sure you use a different email than your main account's email and head back to the same page afterwards and simply just go ahead and switch account just like so and add it in here. That way you could switch between the two accounts that you have and play with multiple accounts, but that's literally it. You can now easily create and switch between multiple Clash of Clans accounts extremely quickly. I hope this video did help you out. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it did, we would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.